DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, I am going to show you how to make a tabletop using scrap wood. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a scrap wood tabletop. Make sure your scrap wood is about all the same thickness. This way it won't be uneven and you won't spill your wine. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.